we did not master last week. So the first thing that we want to focus on is that we want to focus on that there are 10 ones in 110. Say 10 ones,
10 ones
in 110.
and 110.
So we know that there are 10 ones in 110. Say 10 ones
10 ones
in 110.
and 110.
So we already know how to put the problem in the place value chart. So we're going to start after putting the problem in the place value chart. So I know that there are 7 tens and I know that there are 5 ones. So I've already graphed that out. Now, scholars, now I need to subtract 2 tens and 8 ones. Now let's look, Aviana, I need your eyes. I need to subtract 8 ones. So let's count to see if I have 8 ones to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have enough ones to subtract? No, LeBron, pay attention. I do not have enough ones. So I need to go to the tens and unbundle. Say unbundle.
Unbundle.
And when I unbundle, I already know that 110 equals 10 ones. Say 110
110
equals 10 ones.
equals 10 ones.
So when I unbundle, I know that 110 equals 10 ones. So I'm going to draw 10 dots. Say 10 dots.
10 dots.
Callie, pay attention. Because you did not get this correct. That's why we're going over it. So I know that it equals 10 dots. So I'm going to draw 10 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, scholars, now do I have enough to subtract, Aviana? So now I have to subtract 8. So now we're going to subtract 8. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I need to subtract 2 tens. So now let's subtract 2 tens. Let's count. 1, 2. So now let's count how many ones we have left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count how many tens I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know 75 minus 28 equals 47. Say 47.
47.
Say that's easy.
That's easy.
So now we're going to look at another one, scholars. I'm going to start in the same spot. I know that you guys already know how to graph this in the place value chart. So I know that you know, James, that there are 3 ones in 63. I know, James, that you know that there are 6 tens in 63. But now we need to subtract 5 ones. Do I have enough ones to subtract? No. So I need to unbundle. Say unbundle.
Unbundle.
I need to unbundle a 10. Say unbundle a 10.
Unbundle a 10.
And I know that 110 equals how many ones? I know that 110 equals how many ones? Say it out loud.
10.
I know it equals 10 ones. So how many dots am I going to draw?
10.
10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, do I have enough to subtract 5 ones? Yes, guys. So let's count, James. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, scholars, if this also helps, this will be easier, James. Pay attention. You can come up here and cross this out because now you know that you subtracted 5 ones. So now, let's go to our tens, and we have to subtract 3 tens. Say 3 tens.
3 10.
So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So now let's count how many ones we have left over. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count how many tens I have left over.
2.
1, 2. So now, scholars, I know 63 minus 35 equals 28. See, that's easy.
That's easy.
So, scholars, now I'm going to give you a problem set that only has 3 problems on it. And you just need to show me that you understand the place value way. All you need to show me is that you understand on how to bundle a 10. So, scholars in the back, our voices are off and you will be back at your desk. Orange Cruz. That's a check. Boys. Scholars in the back, I need all eyes on me. In 3, eyes on me in 2, eyes on me in 1. Your voices are off. If you cannot handle that, then you will be off the computer. Say, I got it.
I got it.
Thank you. Headphones on. I am coming around with your problem set. You need to write your name on the top and the date. Today is 11/16.
18.
Your voice is off by now. Today is 11/16. You need to write your name on it. And I'm coming around to check your first name, last name, and date on it. First name, last name, and date on it. Our voices are off. I actually sharpened pencils for you, so no one needs to get out of their desk. Okay, LeBron, I asked voices off, so you need to start writing right now. Your pencil should be moving. You're welcome. James, you need to sit up and tuck in your chair. Thank you. Eleven, 16, 18. First name, last name, and date on it. Our voices are off and our pencils should be moving. First name, last name, and date on it. And our pencils should be moving. Oren, that's a check voice. So if I have to tell you one more time, you're off the computer, do you understand? You're screaming out loud. If I have to tell you one more time, do you understand? You're off the computer. Do you understand? I need your eyes. Do you understand? You're interrupting the math lesson, okay? Thank you. So scholars, I am coming around to check problem number 1. To check your place value chart for number 1. I am coming to check your place value chart for number 1. Making sure that your 10s and 1s are correct. Your pencil needs to be moving. Making sure that your 10s and 1s are correct in your place value chart. Making sure that your 10s and 1s are correct in your place value chart. Making sure that your 10s and 1s are correct in your place value chart. Making sure that your 10s and 1s are correct in your place value chart. So, I'm putting a star if it is correct. I'll put a circle if it is wrong. Star if it is correct, circle if it is wrong. So Aviana, your pencil needs to be moving. So you have 30 seconds before you receive a color change. So, how many 10s are in 34? 3? Yes, so why would you do 4? Okay, good job. This is all. So far, you have everything correct, your place value chart. Okay, so now you need to subtract. So now each one, now you need to do the subtraction, okay? So good job. So now you showed me everything is correct on your place value chart. Now you just need to do the subtraction. So I am still checking to make sure that your place value chart is correct. Okay, so find out. You just subtracted, that was 7, right? But now you need to subtract that 10, right? You didn't subtract that 10. So if you subtract that 10, 2 from 10, what do you have left? Do you have anything left in your 10s? So what do you have left? So what's your answer? No? Just, yep. So scholars, make sure that you are still showing me the vertical way like we did up here. Make sure once you find the answer like this, you still write it the vertical way. So once you do this in the place value chart, you still write it the vertical way. So once you find your answer in the place value chart, you still write it the vertical way. Good job, Natalie. Good job, Joshua. Good job. Make sure you are doing the cross out method. So Aviana, you have now received a color change. You need to show me your work. Around and check that you are unbundling a 10 and that you are drawing that 110 equals 10 ones. Make sure that you are, so 56 minus 28. So did you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's this one? What's going on with it? Okay, you guys all see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, yeah, I take 8 over this thumb up here, no, do I need to unbundle? Okay, so I need to unbundle. So you draw how many more over here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how much do I need to subtract? How much do I need to subtract? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that's how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you did that part correct. Good job. Now let's do this part. Now how many do we need to subtract here? 1, 2. So your answer is, but you need to show me the vertical way too. So you also still need to show me this way, okay? So you need to go like this each time, okay? So just keep doing this way. Good job. So I'm checking to make sure that you are still showing me that you know how to unbundle a 10. I am checking to make sure that you know how to unbundle a 10 and that you know how to cross it off. So this one is incorrect. Somehow you're incorrect over here. So you have 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You took 1 and you sent it over here, right? And how many did you have to cross off? No, you have to cross off 2 10s, right? 1, 2, so how many do you have left over? So Ryan, keep working. So I'm checking that you know how to unbundle.
Yes.
Good job. And that you know how to cross off. Okay, so you cross this, you took that away, right? You set it over here, right? And then you cross off 2, right? 1, 2, so how many do you have left? So Aviana, you need to be working. Yep, give me 1 second. So give me 1 second. How about when you're finished, just turn it over and create your own problem when you finish. Because I need to check the other scholars that they understand how to unbundle before I give you your exit ticket. I don't want you to be looking at hers because hers is incorrect. Okay. Okay. This one is incorrect and this one is incorrect. So I'm going to see the colors in a second. So how many ones? 4. So sit up straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 10s? 1, 2, 3. So now how many do I need to subtract? 7. Do I have enough to subtract? So what do I need to do? Unbundle. So if I unbundle, what do I need to do? What do I need to draw? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now what do I need to do? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many do I have left? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now how many 10s do I need to subtract? 1, 2. So how many 10s do I have left? So my answer is. Yeah. So you can do this one. How many 10s do I have left? Why would you write 1? You need to sit up. So scholars that are finished, I'm going to give you the exit ticket while I help the other scholars. Your voices are off. I'm going to help the other scholars.